Hello students, here is another question. An unsaturated hydrocarbon X on ozonolysis gives A. Compound A when warmed with ammoniacal silver nitrate forms a bright silver mirror along the sides of the test tube. The unsaturated hydrocarbon X is. So we have unsaturated hydrocarbon, meaning the hydrocarbon has a double bond or a triple bond character in it. We ozonolyze it, that is, we react it with ozone in the presence of water to give us A. And A, when warmed with Tollens reagent, this ammoniacal silver nitrate is what Tollens reagent is. It gives us a bright silver mirror, meaning we have a silver precipitate in that case along the sides of the test tube, correct? Now we need to know which hydrocarbon X is the correct one. If you look, we have a secondary unsaturated hydrocarbon, meaning the hydrocarbon unsaturated part is inside the ring, it is not at the end point. Similarly, we have this at the center, we have this at the end, and also this is again at the center, because you can see here is the ring. So you can see, so here we can see that we have one alkyne, here's another alkyne, and two alkenes over here. Now when we ozonolyze, ozonolysis always ozone, that is, it adds oxygen to the compound to the highest degree, that is, how much ever hydro unsaturated part we have, it completely removes that unsaturated part. So we can see over here, let's say this option, that is option C, when we ozonolyze it, that is, we react it with ozone and water, it forms carboxylic acid. As I told you, it reacts it to the highest degree possible, so that it completely moves all the oxygen from the ozone over here, and the byproduct in this case is this acid again. And when this acid, if, because over here this is a carboxylic acid and there is CH3CH2 over here, but if you look, this is much smaller in this case compared to this one over here. So when this reacts with Tollens reagent, it forms carbon dioxide gas, water as a precipitate, or water as a product, and silver as a precipitate. And if you look at all the other parts or all the other options, the alkyne part was in the center, and even if you had did ozonolysis in that case, it would definitely have led to double bond O characters on both of the carbons, and so you would not have got this part over here, which gives us silver precipitate. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you.